Are you tired of feeling like your dreams are just beyond your reach? We live in a world filled with distractions, doubts, and negative patterns that cloud our minds and hinder our ability to manifest our desires. But what if there was a way to break free from these limitations and unleash the power within you? Welcome to a journey of transformation, where we will uncover the secrets to manifesting your dreams through the power of written affirmations and rewiring your brain for positive outcomes. In this mesmerizing exploration, we will delve into the extraordinary realm of manifesting your dreams with the ancient practice of written affirmations. Discover how the power of words, when carefully chosen and scribed with intention, can act as a catalyst for profound change. But it doesn't stop there. We will also dive deep into the fascinating science of rewiring your brain for positive outcomes. Explore how neural pathways can be reshaped, allowing new patterns of thought to emerge and empowering you to manifest the life you truly desire. By the end of this video, you will gain invaluable insights into the art of manifesting your dreams through the transformative practice of written affirmations. Moreover, you will unlock the power of rewiring your brain, creating a fertile ground for positive outcomes and attracting abundance into your life. But wait, before we embark on this incredible journey, I humbly request you to show your support by hitting that like button and subscribing to our channel. By doing so, you join a community of like-minded individuals, eager to explore the depths of their potential. All right, let's get started. Friends, do you want to manifest your dreams in just 21 seconds? Well, it's now possible thanks to neuroscience. It has been discovered that our reality is based on neural activities, and this means that what we think or feel can create our reality. This is why manifestation techniques have become popular among those seeking self-improvement and goal-setting. Recently, an anonymous writer shared on a social media platform how they used a simple technique to manifest their desires within 3.5 months. According to them, the technique involves writing down affirmations as if they have already happened while picturing themselves living their desires. The writer also mentions that one should not doubt the power of such methods, but trust them with the right intentions. Positive thinking leads to positive actions, which allows you to reach your desired outcome faster than expected. This method relies on manifesting thoughts and setting correct intentions into words so they become alive for us. Believing in yourself also helps reinforce these ideas, making sure you stay focused on your end goal, no matter how hard it may seem at first sight. This makes Neville Goddard's law of assumption even more powerful when using manifestation techniques, like writing simple affirmations. Let's understand the science behind this technique first. Inside our brain, there are billions of remarkable cells called neurons, which are the building blocks of our nervous system. These neurons communicate with each other through electrical and chemical signals, forming intricate pathways that govern our thoughts, actions, and behaviors. When we engage in a particular behavior repeatedly, the neurons involved in that process develop a stronger connection. This strengthened connection creates what we call a brain synapse, or a neural network. Imagine these neural networks as highways within our brain, facilitating the flow of information and influencing our actions and habits. Whether it's brushing our teeth, driving a car, or scrolling through our phones, these neural networks shape our everyday activities. It's fascinating to think that each of our unique traits and tendencies is a result of the intricate network of neural connections that have been formed in our brain over time. Understanding the power of these brain synapses allows us to take control of our habits and behaviors. By consciously rewiring these connections, we can shape our thoughts and actions in a way that aligns with our goals and aspirations. Through practices like mindfulness, visualization, and positive affirmations, we can create new neural networks that support the development of beneficial habits and behaviors. If you want to take advantage of this concept of rewiring your brain, there are 3 basic steps for success. Step 1. Pick 2 statements of desire and write them in the present tense. Let's say you desire financial abundance and a fulfilling career. You would pick 2 statements to affirm these desires, such as, "I am abundant and prosperous in all aspects of my life," or "I am thriving in a fulfilling and successful career." The key here is to write these statements in the present tense, as if they are already true in your current reality. This helps you align with these desires. Step 2. Reactivate feelings attached to these affirmations. Once you have your affirmations, take the time to fully immerse yourself in the feelings associated with them. Close your eyes, imagine your desires already being fulfilled, and embrace the emotions that come with it. Feel the joy, gratitude, and excitement as if these affirmations are your lived reality. For instance, as you repeat the first affirmation, "I am abundant and prosperous in all aspects of my life," focus on feeling the sense of abundance and prosperity. Visualize yourself in a state of financial comfort, experiencing the freedom and ease that comes with it. Step 3. Use success hypnosis to reconnect the neural links associated with these feelings or affirmations daily until they become part of your life's routine. Success hypnosis is a powerful tool that helps reprogram your mind by reinforcing positive beliefs and rewiring neural pathways. You can listen to recorded affirmations or guided meditation tracks specifically designed to align your mind with your desired outcomes. Every day, set aside time to listen to these success hypnosis sessions while fully immersing yourself in the feelings associated with your affirmations. By doing this consistently, you strengthen the neural links between these positive feelings and your desires, making them an integral part of your daily routine. As the neural links associated with these feelings and affirmations become stronger, you will find yourself naturally gravitating towards thoughts and actions that align with your desires, increasing the likelihood of manifesting them in your life. This 3-step process works best if you can combine visualization into your practice as well. See yourself living out those desired outcomes through vivid imagery. And there you have it, my friends. We have unlocked the power of affirmations and explored the incredible potential of rewiring our brains for positive outcomes. Writing down affirmations has proven to be an effective manifestation technique. By expressing our desires in written form, we create a powerful connection between our conscious and subconscious minds, setting the stage for profound transformation. And the best part, it only takes 21 seconds a day to work its magic. Spending just a fraction of our time affirming our desires can unleash a world of possibilities and magnetize our dreams towards us. Remember, each affirmation holds the potential to rewire our brain, creating new neural pathways that support positive outcomes. As we consistently repeat these affirmations, we reinforce powerful beliefs and pave the way for a life filled with abundance, joy, and success. If you enjoyed this video and found value in our exploration, we would be truly grateful if you could show your support by smashing that like button and subscribing to our channel if you haven't done so already. We thrive on your engagement, so please share your thoughts and experiences in the comment section below. We love hearing from you, and it fuels our passion to continue creating content that empowers and inspires. As we conclude this video, we extend our sincerest blessings to each of you on your manifestation journey. May the universe align with your desires, May every affirmation you write be infused with divine energy, and may your dreams manifest beyond what you can even imagine. Until we meet again in our next video, remember to keep manifesting, keep believing, and keep taking inspired action. You have the power to create a reality beyond your wildest dreams.